Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Soundcore Life P2 with your MacBook. So first of all you have to open this charging case, remove the left and the right earbud. Now just take a look for these indicators, they are located right here. One of it will start blinking white quickly after a few moments. As you can see, the right one is blinking, so it's time to put them close to our MacBook. For example, I'm gonna put them right here. And then we have to simply go to the settings. Next, go for Bluetooth. Click on the switcher. And simply select Soundcore Life P2 from nearby devices. As you can see, we are successfully connected. At the end, I can recommend you to go for the sound settings and just be sure that your output and the input device is switched from the internal MacBook speakers and microphone to the Soundcore buds. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.